and welcome to Rep Agency Works. This is a short getting started video for attorneys and their staff. It'll show you how to access your calendar and documents, request a transcript, schedule a reporter, or look at your invoices and statements. To log in, go to our website, or it might be your court reporting agency's website depending on where they've instructed you to go. Enter your username and password, and this will always take you to today's date. And then you can navigate through the calendar by either clicking on the left and right arrows or click on a date here on the left hand side, and it'll show you what's going on for that day. You can view your calendar by the day or the week, which is just a list form, or by the month and just hover over the job that you want to see all the details for. To return to today's date, click here on Today Is. Okay, to view a specific job, click on the hyperlink to open the job screen, and it will give you all the details, including any documents that you've been given access to. Click on any one of these tabs to view your documents. To request a transcript, click here, fill out the information you need and a preferred due date, and then click Send Request. You'll receive an email confirmation that your transcript is being prepared. Likewise, to schedule a resource, a reporter, a videographer, click here on Schedule a Resource. Fill out the pertinent information, upload your notice if needed, and click Submit Request. The Jump To box located over here on the left-hand side is in case you're looking for a date in the past. You don't want to scroll through the entire calendar. Just put in a date with a 4-digit year. It'll take you straight to that day. Open the job, look at the documents, do whatever you need to do, and then when you're ready, click Today Is to get back to the current date. If your reporter offers tracking, it will appear right here. Click on the hyperlink for UPS, FedEx, or the regular post office. Currently, those are the only ones being tracked. Okay, these main tabs across the top are fairly self-explanatory. We've covered the calendar. They're mainly used for searching. So if you double-clicked on the jobs list and got your master list and then typed in a witness's name and seek, it will take you straight to the jobs that included that witness's name. Likewise with the cases, click on any of the cases you're involved in, and there'll be hyperlinks for each of the jobs that had to do with that particular case. The main repository tab holds all of the documents that have been uploaded or created for each job in your cases, but it also holds any extra documents that you may have been given access to that aren't necessarily associated with a case. Alright, and this last one is your reports, which is just a statement and a copy of invoices, if you like, for anything that you might owe your court reporting agency. You can just scroll down and look by attorney or by the firm and get copies of the invoices if you like. So that's about it. It's short and sweet. If you have any questions, give your court reporter a call directly. Thanks everybody and have a great day.